up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, Steph plays Je Benirai L'Eternel. All right, guys, going into part one, we're gonna start in the A minor chord position. You're gonna have A and E in your left hand, A, C, and E in your right hand. A minor chord, going down to G major, G, D in the left, G, B, and D in the right, to C major, C and G in the left, C, E, and G in the right. Then we're going to the F major chord. We got F, C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. To go out to G major, to A minor again, just the beginning, right? A and E in the left, A, C, E in the right. And then go back to F major, F, C in the left, F, A, C in the right. Then we're going to an E minor chord. We did this one in the last video. You have E and C in the left, E, G, and C in the right. To G major, right? G, D in the left, G, B, D in the right, to A minor. And then back to F major, to E major, I'm sorry, not to E, to G major, and then back to A minor. All right, so we'll try that one more time. A minor to G major to C major. All right, and then we're going back to F major to G major, and then to A minor. From there, we're gonna go back into the F major, right? To go to that E minor again. Again, E and C in the left, E, G, C in the right. And then going into the G major to the A minor again. Back over to the F major to G major, ending the verse off on F minor. I'm sorry, A minor, not F minor. On to part two. All right, we're gonna start off with the F major chord. Let me condense it real quick. So we have F, C in the left, F, A, C in the right. Right, and then we're going to the C major chord. Right, C, G in the left, C, E, G in the right. To the G major chord, right, we got G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. To the A minor chords, like before, A and E in the left, A, C, E in the right. Back to F major, right? To C major, and then to G major again. All right, sus 4. That's the first part of that phrasing. O mon âme, F major to C major again. Then we're going into G major, G, D, G, B, D in the right. To A minor again, A, E in the left, A, C, E in the right. To F major, right? F, C in the left, F, A, C in the right. Then we're going to an interesting chord here. We got A, and let's do B instead. A and B in the left with an E major chord in the right. E, G sharp, and B. Again, E, G sharp, and B. To A minor chord. All right? Let's do that one more time. You have the F major here, to C major, to G major, right? Going to A minor, to F major, to go into the C, back to G major again. All right, it's the first phrase of it. G, B, G, D, G, B, D in the left, right. Back to F major, to C major, and then to G major, and then to A minor. And now to finish off the chorus, you go into F major, and then hit that E major, right? You're gonna hit that E major here, boom. Again, you have E and B in the left, E, G sharp, and B in the right. All right, want to make sure you guys get that. You got G sharp right there. Hit that, then go to your A minor. Boom. All right, and that is the chorus. Now let's go over all this again, right? Starting the A minor. A minor here, G, and C. You can play along with me if you already got the first two parts. Go into F major, G major, A minor. All right, very slowly here. F major, that E inversion, to G major, to A minor again, F major, G major, and then to A minor. Finish off the verse. Start again, A minor, G, to C, to F, to G major, back to C. Not C, A minor, apologies. Then F major, E minor, to G major, A minor, F major, and then you can throw in the E major here from before, from the chorus, and then back to A minor. All right, again, that's E major here, E and B in the right, then left, E, G sharp, and B in the right, and then A minor. All right, you can add that in there as well. And then the chorus, F major to C major, to G major, to A minor, right? G major, then back to F major, a little transition there, to the C major, back to G major, all right? Suits 4. It's the first phrase of the chorus. Second phrase, F major, C major, or you can do the inversion, E minor inversion. Go into G major. Now, if you guys remember this trick here from the last video, right? It's a little transition. Let me explain that a little bit. So you have the C, D, D sharp, and E. It's a little transition there we learned from last time. Again, C, D, D sharp, and E. Right? That E landing pose, so from the F, that E landing pose here is supposed to go into this transition, boom, to have that E major chord. Actually, E major 7. I'll break it down for you guys real quick. You got E, B in the left, E, D sharp, and B in the right. And if you add that extra D in there, if you split it apart, you get that cool major 7 sound. E, B, E, G sharp, B, and D to the A minor chord. You can go over this as many times as you want just to get those chords correct, but we'll finish it off here. Right? Again, the E major 7 to A minor. Just to finish it off. Right? Do that again. Boom. And then to the transition here. Right? E major 7 to A minor. Right? Again, here. Boom. E major 7 to the A minor. I really want you guys to get this, all right? Hope you guys learned, hope you guys got this, and I can't wait to hear how you guys play it. Well, that's pretty much the video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys learned something. Again, that is the goal of this channel. And if you did learn something, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and share this video with all your musician and piano playing friends. Again, the goal of this channel is for us to share and spread the knowledge of these songs throughout our entire Haitian culture community. Again, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.